Hi everyone, I'm going to share something really exciting and special with you because today my first sticker books arrived. I haven't opened any boxes yet, so it's a really surprise for me. And probably many of you don't know that I had a web shop, planner web shop, before I had Planything, where I sold other brands. And I sold a lot of sticker books, and I just can't really believe that I finally have my own sticker book. It's crazy. Okay, let's start opening. Oh my God. Wow. Look at this. My very first Planything sticker book. Wow. I'm going to open it. I'm really speechless. I just keep watching and feeling this is my own sticker book. I can't explain how this feels. It feels so special. I'm not going to show you every page. I will be making a new video for that. You can also find it on the Planything YouTube channel. But let me show you. It's a combination of clear stickers, multiple clear stickers, but every sheet is different, and also boxes. So as you can see on the front, it has florals, it has Halloween and pumpkins. It's really a combination of all kind of, and of course also autumn leaves. So it's really a special sticker book, and I'm so excited. I hope you are too. The cards for the autumn box arrived. Name reveal. Autumn. Mood. Yay! We are at the Efteling. Totally soaked. It's really hot today. It's really a summer day all week. It's really summer, and I'm working on Christmas designs. That's hard sometimes. I'm on my way to my grandmother's birthday with some flowers. I'm excited. Good morning everyone, it's packing time. I'm packing the autumn mood box and I'm so excited. I hope you are too. I have my second vaccination today and I'm a bit nervous because I've heard a lot of people getting sick but the second vaccination, but I really can't get sick because I'm super busy this weekend and the release of the autumn box. So fingers crossed. Poppy! in between packing orders, I'm also scanning in all the pages for the product pictures of the web shop. Hi everyone, it's Saturday and tomorrow is release day and National Planner Day. That day we celebrate the release of the Autumn Mood Box, the first Planything sticker book, yay! And the pre-order starts with early bird discount for the Planything Advent Box. I really hope you like them all, so I'm super excited for tomorrow. With this video, I'm going to end my vlog, but I would love to know below in the comments if you like the vlogs more like this with more time in the vlogs. So, or do you really like the weekly vlogs where you see me packing all the time and giving more updates? And also an update on the planner process. Right now I'm incredibly busy with designing everything for the Christmas box and the Advent box. And after that, when that's done, I'm working and packing for all the August releases. And after that, then I'm packing for the Advent box and the Christmas box. So I won't be having much updates on the planner. So that probably will be later this year because the planner also will be releasing next year. So I hope you keep following my vlogs and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.